Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to see recently deleted apps on iPhone or how to find all of your deleted apps on your iPhone. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go ahead and launch your App Store app on your iPhone and make sure to sign into your Apple ID here. Now, tap on your profile photo at the top right and here tap on purchased and tap on my purchases, and if you select all, then here you will find all of your installed apps including uninstalled apps, as you can see. And now to see only deleted apps, then select here not on this iPhone, and here you will find the list of all apps you uninstalled on your iPhone. And at the top of this list you will see all of your recently deleted or uninstalled apps. So I've recently uninstalled this Chrome Remote Desktop app and PC Remote app, WO Mic app, Fonts for iPhones app. And now from this list you can easily reinstall any app. Just tap on the app and just tap on install button to reinstall the specific app on your iPhone. So this is how we can actually see our recently deleted apps on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.